What's up, you guys? It's your boy Vic, back at it again with another banger. Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to a new episode, or another episode of my suspension work. So, as I explained in my last video, if you watched it towards the end, I explained that my sound didn't come up in my other videos. So the beginning of this video, for this whole video, was supposed to be me installing the lower control arms for the front, and that audio is completely just gone. Obviously the video's there, but the audio's not. So I'm gonna give you guys just a quick explanation of how to install them and all that good stuff, little tips and tricks or whatnot. So let's get to it. It's gonna be a quick rundown. We're gonna get under this car. Got her jacked up real quick already, but as you can tell, everything's on. You know, video is a bit late or whatnot, but you know, gotta be on my grind. Gotta post these videos so your boy can blow up, be a famous superstar. I'm just kidding. Just really trying to make this cash money, you know what I'm saying? Let's get to it. Alright, fam, so we're under the car. So we got the lower control arm. And you got your 3 bolts here. They got that one right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yep, there it is. That one right there. So we got that one. Then you got this one. And you got this one as well. But you also got that. And where the ball joint is seated. But while all this was off, the only thing I could put on is these 3. So little tip is to put in this one first, the second one. That one I helped to use so you can push it up in here because the bushing's there as well. But these are 17s, you know, little 17mm socket or whatnot. 17 as well. And then as long as you put those on nice and tight, there's not really any specs that I could find that'll be proper for these, but nice and tight, hand tight when you put it with the wrench or whatnot. And that's pretty much about it, to be honest, to install these. They're easy to take off. What support arm back there in the back, you gotta put that together a little, well, not together, but the sway bar, the sway bar and the sway end link right there, that'll be helpful to also kind of like have it loosely installed while you're trying to put this on. It does help kind of level it out, or help to just keep it up a little bit. But definitely put that bolt in first to help you push in here, and then you can put on this one. So here's the coilovers, and let's rewind and get to installing these bad boys. But I really do apologize for the little sound thing. That was really my fault. My apologies. But like I said, I gotta post out these bangers. Gotta post on my YouTube. Gotta get them watch hours. Gotta so you all will know, I gotta do 1,000 subscribers plus 4,000 watch hours. So I gotta get people to watch my videos and all that good stuff. Just for you guys, a little informative for you on how YouTube works, so to say. And then once you get all things together, they'll do, you know, they'll send you an email whether you can get monetized towards the end or whatnot. So I gotta reach that goal. So my grind is definitely not gonna stop until I reach it. And then, well, if I quit YouTube, I'll make sure to tell you guys. But until then, your boy's gonna be on the grind. So let's get to this coilover install, right? Also, if you have any tips and tricks yourself, feel free to comment down below. Don't be afraid. You can tell me how it's done or how you do it, however it may be. Like I said, I'm new to a lot of the stuff that I'm doing, so to say. You know, now that I'm doing a lot of more of my own stuff, and I could always do it. I just never had the chance, so to say. Never had to until now, until stuff breaks. So finally stuff is breaking, so we're getting it fixed while, you know, I can, and knowledge is there. But yeah, feel free to inform me of whatever. Don't be afraid. Comment down below whatever you kind of information you got, tips, tricks, whatever. But now let's get to it for real. Oh, and just in case you guys were curious, this was the it's practically stopped, the control arm that was on there previously. But as you can tell, the bushings are practically dry rotted, so they definitely needed the new hookup. So these skunk 2s that I got on it now are gonna be the real deal for it. Oh, one last thing, just in case you guys are wondering, or it'll be helpful. This R obviously means right, so that'll go on the right, and the other one over there, that one will say L for the left side. So you'll know how to install them or which side to install them. So they are directional. Just a little tip on that to you guys. Alright, now let's get to installing. And boom, she is on, fam. Sway that nut right there. It's a 14, by the way, just in case you didn't catch that. 14s as well, just in case you want to tighten those. 17, 17, 17. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put the coilovers on. We just gotta take this bolt off right here. So this fork right here will slide off. And these are Coney ground control. I may or may not get them rebuilt or whatnot, but if you guys know who does them or who can, you know, comment down below as well. Let me know what's up. So this bolt in my Integra, or probably most Integras, this one's a 14, and also should be in that one. If you look here, right here, say your L, so that'll be your left side, and then your right side. So it's pretty self-explanatory on that. And let me go ahead and take this off and then put them on the new ones, alright? Alright, so like I was saying, this is a 14, but it was kind of a pain in the butt to take out of here. So you'll have to get like some type of hammer. And once you loosen this up right here, you have to get some hammer to take that out, because obviously this one has been there for a long and they really clamped it down hard, which I don't blame them. But make sure you got a hammer, some type of punch or something long enough so you can hit at it and get it completely through this fork. If not, you're gonna have a pain in the butt. You know, you can use a vise of some sort. I don't really have a vise, so I had to use my little bro to hold it, and then I just hit it out. It's not that hard. Pretty simple. But yeah, that's how you do it. Got that one. This one's next. A little last minute decision for this bad boy. I decided to spray the forks. They are a little faded in its color. You know, throw some good old 2X primer, Rust-Oleum, and then here's what it's kind of gonna look like. You can barely see it. It's got a little gloss black, a little Rust-Oleum, high performance. Let me get it. A little high performance Rust-Oleum. It's gloss black. It's nothing serious. I mean, it's really just a small detail. And if the paint chips, I'm not worried about it. It's no big deal. Alright, so it's time to put the coilovers in. And honestly, these aren't too hard, to be honest. You got your 2 bolts right here. Well, not necessarily bolts, but the stud. And they go right through these 2 holes. And you pretty much just screw them at the top. And honestly, I already dropped one. Mess around. It don't really matter. It's whatever. I mean, small detail. It is what it is. But let's go ahead and install it real quick. And you may or may not want an extra person helping you, because you know, you'll have somebody holding it at the bottom and you screwing the nuts at the top. But that's up to you. If you could do both, more power to you. But you know, sometimes you can't. That thing is pretty heavy. Either way, I'm pretty sure those are 14s. I'm gonna double check for you guys. Let's get to it. And there is no actual like left or right on there, but these are the fronts. As you can tell, there's a difference. These are fronts right here, so it just slides over the fork. They're over there, and those will be the back end. So we're gonna slide the fork after they get done drying paint. But yeah, there's no real way. I was trying to find something. I really just want try to get the label to face outward this way. So I guess you could probably see it if you look. If you get nosy and you try to see some of my suspension. So that'd be the go for these. But I try to look everywhere. There is no left, right. I mean, it's pretty much, you know, it's just the forks really what matters. Other than that, let's put these bad boys on. So I lied. There's 17. It'll fit perfect right there. Just tighten these up as best as possible. Not too tight, but just right. Alright, let's get these things on there. And that's the dampener for adjustment. I'm not too informed on these, so to say, but I mean, it's just the stiffness of the ride. Just in case you're wondering, you can adjust it here. Pretty dope mechanism. But yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna go tighten these up real quick. So that's nice and tight. And those are on. All we gotta do is just slide the fork on it. And that'll be it for this one. I may adjust the height. I'm gonna have to see what it looks like as is. And then adjust it. I gotta get to a level ground to make sure I adjust it properly or whatnot. But I'm gonna end it at here for this one. So it'll just be the control arm installation and the coilovers here. And obviously it's easy just to install the rest of it. Just slide it on there, throw the bolt on there. And these are 17s. I'm mistaken for that. But thank you guys all for watching. Appreciate all the support. Like I said, if I made a mistake, let me know what's up. But like I said, appreciate it. And we catch you guys on the next one. Thank you guys so much. See you later.